Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. Show that 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Okay, so what is given to us? 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1. Okay, now while solving this problem, students will think that we can use an identity secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Okay, students will think they can use this identity, but if you observe carefully, we have 1 minus tan square A here. So if you send tan on the other side, this will become secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. See, this minus goes on the other side, becomes plus. If we had 1 plus tan square A, in place of 1 plus tan square A, we can write secant square A. But we don't have 1 plus, we have 1 minus. So we cannot use this identity. Okay. In the similar way, in the denominator, see, we have cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. This is another identity. If you send cot on the other side, it will become cosecant square A 1 plus cot square A. So if we had cot square A plus 1 or 1 plus cot square A, we could have written cosecant square A there in the denominator. But we have cot square A minus 1. Here cot square A plus 1 is there, which means we cannot use this identities. Alright now. So if you cannot use these identities, we need to use relationship between trigonometric ratios formulas. What is that? See, we have learned sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Okay, and cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine. That means cosecant theta will be 1 by sine. Okay, cos theta is 1 by secant theta and secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Okay, cot theta is cos by sine, cos theta divided by sin theta, and tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, or cot theta is 1 by tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Okay, so we can either use this formulas or this formulas to solve the last exercise problems. Just now we checked we cannot use the identities, which means we can use this formulas now. Alright, so let me rub this identities. So which formulas can we use here? What do we have? Tan. We have tan and we have cot. So we can use this tan and cot, we can use this. So let us use tan and let us use this cot formula. Tan is what? Sine by cos. So 1 minus square is there. Tan A divided by cos A whole square, because it is tan square A and tan is sine by cos, whole divided by cot. Cot is cos by sine. Okay, so this is cos A divided by sine A square minus 1. Okay, all right, now let me just rub this. Okay, I'll use this part of the board as rough. Now what do we have here? See, this is 1 minus sine square A. Square is for sine, square is for cos. So sine square A divided by cos square A, and here it is cos square A divided by sine square A minus 1. Square is for cos, square is for sine. Okay, now let us simplify the numerator and denominator. See, here we have 1. So can we write it as 1 by 1 and 1 by 1 here? Yes. Now this part now. Denominators are different, 1 into cos square. If denominators are different, we will multiply the denominators and cross multiply these numbers. 1 into cos square A is cos square A minus sine square A into 1 is sine square A. Okay, this big division is here now. Okay, what about this one? Denominators are different again. One is sin square A, one is 1. Multiply the denominators. Sin square A multiplied by 1 is sin square A. Cross multiply these numbers. Cos square A into 1, cos square A, minus sin square A into 1, sin square A. Okay, this is division of division. See, we can directly cancel cos square A minus sin square A, cos square A minus sin square A here. Okay, let us go ahead and write one more step. See, this is division of division. So if we have division of division, this big division will become multiplication. This denominator will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will change to denominator, denominator will change to numerator. So this will be sin square A divided by cos square A minus sin square A. I hope you understood this. See, if we have A by B divided by C by D, this is A by B, this big division will become multiplication, this C by D will become D by C. So we did the same thing. Numerator we wrote as it is here, this big division we wrote it as multiplication, this we reciprocaled. Okay, cos square A minus sin square A, cos square A minus sin square A is same, so we cancel that. So what do we have now? We have sin square A divided by cos square A left, but we know sin divided by cos, it is equal to tan, but don't forget square. So it is equal to tan square A, which is RHS. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.